Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. And if you like this particular video, be sure to hit that like button, share with a friend, leave a comment. All those really do help out the channel. So Christmas is just around the corner, and today I want to share with you a great little gift for those kiddos in your life. And it is a 4-pack dinosaur set. These are kind of unique because they're not only just like dinosaurs that you can play with, but they also have these little screwdriver pieces that you can disassemble and assemble. So that kind of makes it like a dual toy. I will include a link in the description that will take you to Amazon. That's where these came from. You can see the current price point, see if they're currently on sale, all that great stuff. But once you order them, they're going to come in this little box here that's very colorful, easy to wrap for the holiday season. And then you're going to get, of course, inside all these other pieces. So let's go over everything you're going to get. First and simple thing, you're going to get a little instruction sheet that's going to tell you how to assemble each dinosaur. Then you are going to get 2 little manual screwdriver and Phillips head pieces here, and then these come out and are interchangeable. Then you're going to get a battery-powered screwdriver, which goes forward. If you click the up button, it goes continuously, and then the reverse button stops it. Now, it takes 2 AAA batteries, and the batteries are not included, so you'll need to pick those up if you don't have AAA batteries laying around the house. And then you're going to get your 4 dinosaurs, and I went ahead and pre-assembled 3 of them just so you could see what they all look like. But you're basically going to get a Triceratops, which is this guy right here. And they're fully movable. You can see his legs move, his tail moves up and down, his jaw moves. So you can really have fun with them. And then you can kind of lock them in depending on these little pieces here that you tighten or untighten, and kind of set it up how you want. And then they have these little wheel pieces on the bottom, so they kind of slide across a surface, which is really, really cool. You also get a T-Rex, same thing. The legs kind of move, the little short arms move, your jaw moves, and the same thing with the tail. Same, also got the little wheels here, and they're all very different and colorful. And then you got the Brontosaurus here, which is blue. Same, once again, head, tail, legs, all that kind of stuff. And they're pretty quick to assemble. I will say, though, there are a lot of parts, especially like getting these wheels just perfect. So you will probably need a parental unit help on getting them set up. But when you get them, they're going to come. I didn't assemble the Raptor because I wanted you to see what it comes like. So it comes like this. It comes with all these little parts and pieces that you just kind of snap together. And I'd say when I put all these together, it took me about 3 minutes dinosaur. So it is pretty fast to put together, but there is some assembling that you need. And then they include all the screws, and actually you get some spare parts. So these are all the little spare parts that came with these dinosaurs here. Now, I do want to say they recommend on the box that these are for children 3 and up. I would agree with that if in the pre-assembled form, they are definitely 3 and up. But if you start breaking these pieces apart, you do get some really small pieces like these, or these wheels can come out if you take apart the legs. So I would say you really, if you're going to be disassembling this, it really should be like 5 and up, because there's definitely some choking hazard potential with these guys. But yeah, so that's basically it for these. Like I said, they make a fun little toy for kids to play with, and I think they personally make a great gift this coming holiday season. So if you're struggling on what to get for those kiddos in your life, you may want to check these out. But that is it. So feel free to hit me up in the comment section. Like I said, feel free to go into the description and hit that link, which will take you to Amazon. And until the next video, you guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you're a rock star. You made it to the end of the video. Now, if you really want to become a legend, help me out, hit that subscribe button. And then it always helps also if you hit that like button and share these videos. Till the next one, you guys take it easy.